Hello, I am Ekaterina Pryanikova and this is my channel. Important to know creation sound text as requires some price plugins sign the speed of the process and make this much easier. To understand all the points, you'd better slow down video a bit. That's why all my buttons pressed to work with their sky. You can freely use footage color during educational videos. On my second channel, Miss Hentai Footage, you can download ready-to-use footage and use it in your videos. But I strongly ask to specify original footage only. Business cooperation, welcome to my email address. You will learn how to make beautiful and simple background with co-op menus, just following my steps on videos. I will show all the button preset. On this video I will show all the button pressed. You can slow it down via YouTube player. Feel free to ask questions or give suggestions in the comment section. You can even monetize your videos. In exchange, I just simply ask for likes and comments.